Is this going to be better than my $1,000 security system I have here at the house? What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Pigweed Farms. Today we have another sponsored video, guys. We're going to have to start opening a review channel for all this stuff that all these companies are sending us right now. So guys, we're going to review this camera. This is the Seihamu. I don't know how you say it, but it's the 4G LTE pan tilt security camera, battery and solar power. Guys, they contacted me the other day. This is not even on the market yet. This is how new this is. They contacted Pigweed Farms for this. I've been wanting one of these for a while anyway. This is going to go on our sheep. Our sheep is down at the bottom, and I try to check them every day when I can. But for y'all that don't know, I start work at 6:30 in the morning. So that means I leave my house around 5:30 in the morning. And that means it's dark when I get home. And throughout the week, we just have so much going on. It's just hard to get down there into the bottom and check on them. And guys, this is where this product comes in handy, guys. Because look here, look here, look at all of it. Well, all right. So now that that's stopped, look here, we got farm, motorhome. Put it on your motorhome, guys. Oh, let's see here. Boop. There we go. Farm, motorhome, building sites, your field, your pasture, and camping, guys. All right. It covers everything, guys. Let me tell you, day and night HD video, solar power, 4G LTE network, no Wi-Fi required. Now, I said this in our last video when we just done the review on the AX3000 from Wavelength. I kind of wish it was a Wi-Fi camera. That way we could test that and see how far of a signal we really can get. So y'all know with that, up under our barn in the backfield, we were getting 700-800 megabits per second. And that is wonderful down there because without that, we are on just like 30 megabits under the barn, and after the barn is done. Easy to get that for. So let's see here. Pan, tilt, and zoom. Two-way audio, PIR motion detection, built-in spotlight. So guys, as you can tell, me and the boys have done dug into this box. I got chickens on nest everywhere, guys. Hope y'all want some chicken content, because this is going to be a coming. So let's open this up. Let's open this up, guys. Is this going to be better than my $1,000 security system I have here at the house? What is that? Wouldn't that be crazy? I think this camera, I have to pop up a picture because there's going to be a link in the description too. So y'all can go over and get you one. This is fresh. This ain't even on the market yet, guys. I don't even know how long it will take you to get one. But let me tell you something. Look at there. We got our solar panels. Boop. Solar panel. I'm all about some solar, guys. Solar is where it's at nowadays, in my personal opinion. Don't need that. This is the camera. So y'all see the ones on, I believe it's on TikTok, the ones that they're camouflage. I think, yeah, they're camouflage. I think it's the same company that builds the one that's camouflage. But these are new release and haven't been released very long. So, boop. Guys, we have 2 screens and spotlights, guys. And you know, you gotta please tear off the film before use. You have a reset button and a TF. What's the TF stand for? Probably some kind of SIM card or something. So let's try this out. We're gonna put it down there by the sheep so I can keep a bird's eye view on my sheep. You know, good. You know, they're getting into mischief and everything. You know, they're sheep. You never know. I walked out there the other day, went to move them. They had to move themselves 2 pastures over. So you know how it bees on that. All right, so you get this mount. I believe this is for the solar panel. Yeah, this is for the solar panel. You know, it's got an option to mount the solar panel on top of the camera, so that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for here, guys. And oh, it comes with some tweezers. What do we need tweezers for? Let's see here. What's under here? We ain't got no instructions. We ain't got no instructions. They didn't send no instructions. This is supposed to fit. Oh, I see. I see. CCC, said the blind man. Alright. So this dealio right here you get in your package. If you look on the back of this solar panel, it just latches on. This is gonna be one right here, guys. And look at there. Look at that, guys. Solar panelage. Then you just come over here. I was supposed to download the app while ago. I'm about to go download the app real quick. Ooh, and I guess it kind of keeps it like shaded too. Whoa, look at that, guys. Look at that is a right there. So let's we're gonna go like that right there. So we're gonna be down there. We need our antennas to be able to read, you know. So I'm gonna run in the house, get something to drink, and do a download, and download the app and set it up. And we will go from there. And I'll try not the back box. I need to clean the back of my truck, what I need to do. But we're not worried about that today. Look here. We got it. Hold on, guys. Ooh, we just gotta turn it on. We're gonna cut it off right now because I really don't need it on. I need to go download the appers first. And then I'll try to screen record and all that. It's hot out here right now. So I am not big on being hot. Alright. So solar panel plugs into the bottom right there. You see that? Battle area. Look at that, guys. Boom. 300. No. 180. It's almost 360. Let's roll with it, guys. Let me go download the appers real quick. Alright, guys. So we're down here in the bottom. We're with the sheeps. Oh, wrong way. Definitely wrong way. We're down here with the sheeps, guys. And guys, if you don't already know, we're trying to run a direct consumer business. So if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. That way we can start making money and buying more sheeps. So guys, I don't know if you can see. See here. We got all, let's see if it'll, see all that grass back there? This is how the whole pasture looks. And it looks wonderful. And we are so thankful from the good Lord above for the ability to have grazing like this right now. But we ran into somewhat, oh, that ain't gonna hold. Nope. But we ran into somewhat of a problem because now we have enough grazing, but not enough animals to graze it. So we're kind of, whoa guys, we're kind of all over the place. All right, let's get doing this. So we're gonna go ahead and get the water trough down. I grabbed a T-post out of the junk pile, and we're gonna see how high that gets us. If that don't get us high enough, then we will go, I got some metal posts, not metal, plastic posts I'll put on top. And that gives another 4 foot on top of the T-post. So let's see how it goes. First, let's get their water. Let me get all this straightened out, and then we'll pick y'all back up. All right, guys, we got everything moved. So what we're gonna do now, we got our T-post right here. I'm gonna take some of this thin fence wire right here. I'm gonna cut and just double it up. That's what I'm gonna do right here. Take it, double it, makes it a little bit stronger. We're actually gonna take it and triple it up for a simple fact that I don't want it going anywhere. So we're gonna cut us a couple of these to start out with, and then we'll put them in there. Guys, I'm really excited about this. The app was extremely easy to use. Like my $1,000 security system took literally like 4 or 5 times as long to set up than what this one camera did. And I get it, it ain't a full-blown security system, but let me tell you something, guys. I like simple stuff. Simple stuff is fun. Simple stuff is good. So I'm actually gonna lay it about there, and then I'll take a 4-footer, stick in here, and we'll go on up. So come right here in the center. We're gonna take, twist, twist, twist. We're gonna take our little pliers down here. We're gonna twist some more. That ain't going nowhere. I could literally leave that one on here and be perfectly content. But we're gonna go ahead and put 2, just to be on the safe side. So I'm gonna come down here, come about right there, and twist. Twist and shout. Y'all know that song? Alright. See here. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. Oh, hi there. Hi there. Alright, get your butt up, camera. Alright. What we're going to do now, in this toolbox behind me, I have fence post, spare post. So what I can do, take one of these and put it like right there. And guys, you talking about, let me let's get the camera on here first. No, I stepped in. Sheep Duke. Let's see how good these Harbor Freight zip ties hold up. We're gonna put a pile of them on there. All right. And guys, the snakes are moving right now. Somebody hit about a 4-foot rattlesnake in front of my house yesterday. You believe that? All right. So this is set up to, it ain't gonna go like that. It's set up to screw into something. And I don't have nothing out here to screw into. So it's got 2 little slots back here on the back. We're gonna take our thing, we're gonna mount it up here to the top. About right there. So let's get our Dollar General. And guys, if you want to get you one of these cameras, there's a link down in the description. Sorry, I'm messing with mine. It's probably getting pretty toasty, if I had to guess, because we're filming like all the 4Ks. So, all right. So we're gonna fix this, guys. But for the video's sake for today, because I gotta get this video filmed and sent to them, we are doing it this way. There's the end of my wire. All right. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. We'll probably come back with some 2x4s or something and really fix her up. But as of right now, we're not worried about that. One done. There's the end of my wire. There it is. This is going to be so nice just to be able to come, not even come down here. I just got to look at my phone. All right. I can do this without messing up. There we go. What a unit. Now we take our other one, come around to this side. Oh, heck yeah. This is gonna work. It's like something you see at freaking NASA or something. Heck yeah, brother. Ain't gotta worry about that. Maybe when the wind blows a little bit. Sorry guys, my chest itches. I have autoimmune disease. And it really goes sometimes. I need, well, myself mess that up, but it'll be fine. So, all right. Whoa, where'd you go? All right, guys. We got our camera. It's way up here. Let's play with said camera, and then we'll leave. How about that? Then we'll go spy on it in the house. It ain't the plumbest thing to existence, but we could probably fix that. I probably should have just took it. Whoa, Nilly. All right, that's pretty plumb. So, all right, let me play with it for a minute, and then I'll pick y'all back up and probably end this video off here. So let's go. All right, guys. So we got everything. Whoa, Nelly. Got everything hooked up, guys. We are gonna come back. I'm gonna bring like a 2x4 or something down here that I can actually mount this thing to, and then mount it to the tank. But for right now, I mean, it works pretty good as you just seen. So it zooms in on everything. We got almost 360 degrees all the way around. So you miss a small window. But guys, just be able to sit here and just get on my phone from anywhere I want to be at, and just be like, hey, I need to check on my sheep real quick. Imagine if you have like 100 sheep out here and one gets out or one's out in a different paddock you need to check on. I mean, there you go. Wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. So yeah. Oh, there it is. That's my setup. A T-post and a plastic post. The bike could have took 2 T-posts and done this and actually got up higher, but it really don't need to be up no higher than what it is. So there it is, guys. It does send you notifications for motion. It does have a big spotlight on the front. If I think about it tonight, we have a revive service tonight at church. Well, it's all weekend, so praise the Lord. By the time y'all see this, it'll probably be over with by now. But guys, it's got a whole bunch of stuff. I'll try to, whenever I film or whenever I edit the video, while y'all are watching me play with it and zoom with it and turn it around and everything, I'll read off some of the stuff off the box. So there you go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, Jesus loves you. God bless you. We love you. Remember, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment them down below. We are trying to hit a bunch of subscribers. So if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. And we will see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.